Hello everyone, Namaskar. So, as per our discussion yesterday, the expectation was that this move could be fourth and then we might see fifth. And that is what has happened today. And now we can see a clear impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no overlap between 1 and 4. So, and now with this red candle, we might be seeing a retracement of this 5 wave move on the upside. So कल जो हमने बात की थी कि 38.2% रिट्रेसमेंट ऑफ दिस फॉल तो हो गया है एंड 61.8% हमको मॉनिटर करना है एंड देन एट द सेम टाइम हमको ये भी देखना है कि ये जो स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो कैसा बनेगा, कैसा इवॉल्व होगा. तो आज हम 5 वेव मूव देख सकते हैं एंड जैसे आपको पता ही होगा कि एलियट वेव का जो मूव्स होते हैं इस तरह से होते हैं कि इट इज़ एसेंशियली 8 वेव पैटर्न 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ठीक है. सो 5 वेव्स इन प्राइमरी डायरेक्शन एंड 3 वेव्स इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन और काउंटर ट्रेंड डायरेक्शन. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. This ABC could also be WXY, and it could also evolve into triple zigzag WXY XZ and complex combinations. So, but at a higher level, this is what we expect कि there will be 8 legs. So अब जो we can see 5 legs in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me also mark them in this chart. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how it looks right now. तो इसके बाद expectation is कि यहाँ पे we can see some sort of correction and then correction कितना होगा. One high level guideline is कि जो previous degree 4th level होता है, 4th wave होती है, वहाँ तक correction typically goes. तो ये लेवल इज़ अराउंड 25,120 एंड अनदर वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस हाउ मच दिस मूव कैन रिट्रेस इज थ्रू फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट्स. वी कैन जस्ट सी दिस होल मूव एंड 38.2% of this move is at 25,158, 50% is 25,128, 61.8% is at 25,098, right? So 50% to 60% is what I expect because this is going to be either wave 1 and then 2 or this would be A or B, right? So expectation is that after this we might see some sort of down move and within this zone we should find some support and after that we should see another 5 wave move on the upside because even if it is ABC, so ABC is 535, so this is 5 then 3 and then another 5 on the upside, right? So that is the expectation, some down move and then followed by up move. It is also possible कि ये डाउन मूव है बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो एंड जल्दी फिनिश हो जाए, कुछ यहीं पे 38.2% हो जाए मे बी, और मे बी लाइक यहीं से कल गैप अप हो जाए, हु नोज, डिपेंडिंग ऑन क्या न्यूज़ आती है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. बट टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग yes, there is a possibility we should see some downside and then only this another 5 wave rise should happen. Another possibility is कि अभी ये 5 वेव जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो लग रहा है हमें, हो सकता है यहाँ नीचे जाके यहाँ ये बनेगा 6 एंड देन एक 7 लेग बन जाए एंड अगर 7 लेग पे ख़त्म हो जाता है तो देन दिस विल बिकम अ करेक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर बिकॉज 5, 9, 13, 17 दीज आर मोटिव स्ट्रक्चर्स and 3, 7, 11 these are corrective structures, right? तो we still have to see कि यहाँ क्या इवॉल्व होता है, कैसे पैटर्न इवॉल्व होता है, बट प्राइमरी एक्सपेक्टेशन इज कि 5 के बाद में वी शुड सी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ 3 वेव करेक्शन एंड देन 5 वेव कंटिन्यूशन ऑन द अपसाइड. सो ये तो हो गई निफ्टी की बात. लेट मी ऑल्सो मार्क दिस लो बिफोर, बिकॉज नाउ दिस लो बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि हम यहाँ से 5 वेव राइज देख रहे हैं. तो जब तक ये लो बना हुआ है, जब तक ये दिस लो इज़ नॉट ब्रोकन टिल द पॉइंट, we would expect that we should continue to see Nifty moving up as long as this is holding, right? So now one risk that I see is in S&P 500. So this is weekly chart of S&P 500, and here we can see this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can count 9 legs up, and this week so far it is kind of forming a red candle. It is like, too early, but the main reason I am still highlighting this right now is because of the daily chart, daily time frame. So daily time frame में अगर हम S&P को देखेंगे and if we draw this trend line, तो if you are a bit confused कि ये trend line ऐसे क्यों draw की हुई है, ये नीचे है लो, तो I actually use close values for drawing trend lines. I don't use highs and lows. So everyone has their own way of doing it. So you can also do it in your own way. So but this is how I do it. I use close values, and as per my trend line, I can see that this trend line has been broken. But this low is yet to break. So if there is a close below this low in S&P, then that would be kind of confirmation of sort कि ये trend line has been broken down convincingly, and यहाँ से we could see some sort of down. So this is weekly chart of S&P 500, and here we can see this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can count 9 legs up, and this week so far it is kind of forming a red candle. It is like too early, but the main reason I am still highlighting this right now is because of the daily chart, daily time frame. So daily time frame में अगर हम S&P को देखेंगे and if we draw और अगर S&P नीचे जाएगा तो chances है कि निफ्टी को भी अफेक्ट करे थोड़ा बहुत. तो that is the risk, and other than that I think technically speaking looks like 5 wave up, 3 wave down, and then another 5 wave up. This is the setup. And these are the levels for this retracement: 38.2, 50%, 61.8, 8%, and from there, whichever retracement holds, from there we should see a move on the upside. And now when we are talking about this up move, let's also do this. Let me also project the estimation how big this could be. This next leg on the upside. Right now we don't have the retracement in place, so I'm just taking 50% because 50% was somewhere around this area, 25,020 or something. So assuming कि अगर यहाँ तक retracement होता है तो इसके हिसाब से जो थर्ड लेग बनेगी ऊपर 1 2 3 और A B C, so that gives a equality target of 25,381. So that's what we will expect. And let's see tomorrow onward how the market unfolds, and we will revisit our counts if needed. If not, we'll just follow the counts as it is. So that's all for this update. I hope you liked this session. If you did, please do subscribe and like this video and spread with your friends who might be interested in this. So that's all for this, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.